Hello everyone, welcome to Hey Tools. I hope you all are well and doing so well. In this video, I am going to showing about Scopus, and it will be a Scopus tutorial that how can you review the documents. And this is our website, and you can see that here are so many products we have. If you need anything, you just contact with us via our WhatsApp, Telegram, and also we have a website order. You can order from the website too. So if you need anything, contact on our WhatsApp, Telegram, or directly order from the website. We will help you in best cost for purchasing the Scopus or other database subscription. We have 3 months to 1 year durations subscription, and I hope this will be very helpful to you all guys those are looking for this type of subscription.
Welcome to ScienceDirect's Reviewing Documents tutorial. You can view documents in ScienceDirect by browsing or searching. Let's look at the different document views available. From the search results list or a publication homepage, you can preview the abstract of the document. If the document is from a book or reference work, an excerpt is available for preview. Select the document title to retrieve the full document. The document content displays in the main pane of the page. Additional author information may be available. Select the author name or collaboration to reveal the related information. Select Get Rights and Content to obtain permission to reuse copyrighted content. Some academic institutions may have pre-arranged permission for reuse of content. Consult your librarian or administrator for more information. To view additional article information, select Show More. To collapse this area, select Show Less. The outline provides direct links to the specific sections of the article or chapter. Thumbnail images provide direct links to the full images or tables in the document. Select an outline item or thumbnail image to jump to the corresponding section of the document in the center pane. To display the full outline, select the link provided. Let's look at some of the features available on the article page. Select Download PDF to view the article or chapter exactly as it appears in the printed publication. The PDF document opens in a secondary window without interrupting your ScienceDirect session. When you open the PDF document, ScienceDirect may offer additional links to articles of potential interest. You can download the PDF version of selected articles. To share an article with your colleagues via your social network, select Share and then select your preferred social network. You will be prompted for your social network credentials if you are not currently signed in. Select Export to copy the document citation in the selected style and format to your citation management program. If you are registered with Mendeley and choose Save to Mendeley, the Mendeley web importer will step you through the download process. If you subscribe to RefWorks and choose Save to RefWorks, the citations will be formatted in the RefWorks tagged format and exported to RefWorks. If you subscribe to RIS and elect to export in the RIS format, the associated dialog boxes will step you through the Citation Manager's download process. In the BibTeX format, the citations are organized in a standard bibliography format you can download to your computer. Select Export Citation to Text for the plain text format. The citations are displayed in a new browser window, and you can download them to your computer. The bibliographic references appear at the end of the document. If the article is not part of your subscription, the references are not available. Let's go back to the top of the document and look at the other reference features available. Links to recommended articles, articles in Scopus which have cited this document, and related book content may be available. Review the level of impact and influence the article has in the world of research. You can view the details in Plum.